Oh my god! Jesus! Eye face paints!
No sé cómo se
I can't believe this. I just want to like swim in this. I am so shocked. Okay, so I decided I'm gonna go and get everything out of the box, lay it all out on the floor, and see everything of what I got. Because I know I got like a lot of stuff, but I haven't actually seen all of it like all laid out and exactly see what's everything. So I'm gonna be laying all that out. I'm probably gonna be here for like an hour because it's a lot of stuff. So let's do that. Whew. So thankful for this. Thank you so much, NYX. I am literally dying right now. Like, I can't even express my feelings. Like, look at all of this. Yeah, my door is open, but like, look at all of this. I got like makeup cases for my brushes, which is amazing because I usually have nothing to put my stuff in when I travel and stuff because I'm a huge mess. So that's just amazing. I have sponges and stuff. I have foundations in like every shade. I love this thing though. I have brushes. I'm really excited for these. Like the cream color, SFX cream color basic body paints. I've always wanted to try these. So I'm like super duper excited for these. Like I've been to the NYX store here in Puerto Rico like 2 times, and every time I go there I'm like, I want everything. So this is pretty close to almost everything, honestly, and I am dying literally right now. So thank you so much, NYX, and yeah, I hope I can do a pretty awesome video for you guys. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and bye.